Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to learn subject English, chapter 2. We finished the chapter and today we are going to solve exercise. In first they have given the question answers that I will send you the photo of it, but question 2, a summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks of a complete it taking appropriate face from the बॉक्स. आपको बॉक्स में फेस दिए गए हैं, उसको यूज करके हमने समरी हमने जो स्टोरी पढ़ी थी उसकी समरी दी गई है. तो हमें जो आंसर है वो हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखने का है. दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ, किसकी स्टोरी है ये? अ डॉग. हियर वी हैव टू राइट अ डॉग. किसकी स्टोरी है? डॉग की है. हु यूज्ड टू बी क्या था वो? हिज ओन मास्टर था. वो कौन था? उनका ही मास्टर था. वो अपने आप मास्टर कहता था. He decided to find a stronger than anyone else. वो क्या सर्च करता था कि वो जो डॉग था उससे भी स्ट्रांग है, कोई भी उससे स्ट्रांग होता था ऐसा मास्टर वो सर्च करता था. तो हियर वी विल राइट स्ट्रांगर देन एनीवन else. First he found, उन्होंने क्या कौन सा एनिमल पहले देखा? अ वुल्फ. उन्होंने पहले कौन सा एनिमल देखा? डॉग ने कौन सा एनिमल देखा? वुल्फ. बट द वुल्फ वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ, किससे वो डरता था? बेयर से. Wolf was afraid of bear. हमारे बॉक्स में दिया गया है, जैसे यहाँ देख सकते हो आप बॉक्स में. द बेयर. यहाँ क्या आएगा? द बेयर. द डॉग थॉट दैट द बेयर वॉज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन हिम. द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. वो आएगा, क्या आएगा? The strongest of all. After some time, the dog met. डॉग ने कौन से एनिमल को देखा? फिर उन्होंने लायन को देखा. अ लायन. क्या आएगा यहाँ आंसर? अ लायन. Who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. क्या आएगा यहाँ? Afraid of man. Here, write down here. Afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. लास्ट में क्या आएगा? अफ्रेड ऑफ मैन. कौन अफ्रेड था? लायन अफ्रेड था. ऐसे आपको भी यहाँ लिख देने आंसर. नाउ लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड. Each word in the box gives below indicates a large number of, for example, a herd of cows refers to many cows. As I said before that a herd of cows means group of cows. जो भी bunch में cows, we can't say bunch but it is a group of people or group of sheep of any another animal which are in the group are known as herd of cows. refer to many cows. Complete each of the following phrase with a suitable word from the box. अब हमें यहाँ पे बॉक्स में सभी स्कूल, फ्लीट, ब्रॉड, बंच, बंडल, पैक, फ्लॉक एंड हर्ड, ये सारे शब्द दिए गए हैं और वो हमें यूज करने हैं कि ग्रुप है या एनी बंच इज what we can write in which that we have to write down. Now first, that is a dash of sheep. What we can say that if many sheep are there, then what we can say here, a fleet of sheep. यहाँ हम क्या लिखेंगे, fleet of sheep. दूसरा क्या है, a dash of flowers. Here we can write a bunch of flowers. There are many flowers which we can write here. Bunch, bunch, bunch of flowers. Now third is a dash of chicks, a brood of chicks. Here we have to write a brood of chicks. If there are many more than one, then we have to use different words. Now the fourth is a dash of cattles. Cattles यानी जो भी गाय और भैंस, वो जो भी एनिमल है, बफेलो, काउ, एनी एनिमल, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, कैटल्स. A dash of cattles, a herd of cattles. As you can see here, हमें क्या यूज किया, a herd of cattles. Now a dash of sticks, तो a bundle of sticks, क्या लिखेंगे, bundle of sticks. A dash of sheep, a flock of sheep, a flock of sheep. A dash of fish, तो यहाँ क्या आएगा, a school of fish. Aquarium, like for example aquarium. A dash of wolves, a pack of wolf. Now question 2. Make nouns from the words given below by adding any double s, ity. For some words we need to add just ty or y. तो here the first word is honest. Honest, तो उसका क्या होगा, honest. तो हम क्या बोलते, honesty. हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ, honesty, HONESTY, honesty. Now second is kind. Then what we should add behind, kindness. Okay, we will write here kindness. Third is cruel. So we can, what we have to write here, cruelty. Fourth here is calm. CALM, calm. So we have to write here calmness. Here fifth is given sad. So we have to write sadness. Active. What we will write here? Activity. Activity, ITY. As you can see here, I have used here. We can't say activeness or activity, activity. We have to say activity. Creative. Then we have to write here creativity. Sincere. Then we have to write sincerity. Cheerful. Then you can write here cheerfulness. Here number 10 is bitter. Then we can write here bitterness. Here that they have given sensitive. Then you can write here sensitivity. Here they have given great. Then we have to write here greatness. Now you have to write 7 to 12 as I have seen in this. Okay. Now here there is given a box in which we have to find a words or there are the first letter of the words we have to find in this box. Let us read first. Word search. There are 12 words hidden in the table. कितने word है? 12 word. 6 can be found horizontal and the remaining 6 vertical. हमें फर्स्ट ऐसे सर्च करने और ऐसे सर्च करने. All of them are described words like good, happy, etc. The first letter of the word are given below. यहाँ हमको क्या दिया है? फर्स्ट लेटर दिया गया है. अब हम यहाँ साइड में वर्ड्स लिखेंगे. एच से क्या कौन सा वर्ड है, आर से कौन सा है, एफ से कौन सा है, दूसरे एफ से कौन सा है, एस से क्या कौन सा है और जी से कौन सा है, वो हम लिख देंगे पहले, फिर हम सर्च कर देंगे. यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने लिखा है हॉरिजॉन्टल के वर्ड्स, यहाँ आपको दिख रहा है. The first word is hasty, second is ready, fierce, frightened, strong and good. Now let us first search the horizontal line. In horizontal you have to search first hasty. Where is the hasty, students? You can see hasty. Okay, this is a hasty. You have to do the box. Like that you have to search whatever words I give you, you have to search and write, draw in your textbook. These are the words for horizontal and I will give you the vertical words which you have to find it. As here they have given A. Here there is a A for angry. So where is the angry? So you can see here there is a angry. You have to draw the box like this. As you can see here, I have given the vertical words also, that the first word is angry from A. Here you can see the A for angry, W for rose, S for surprised, F for free, L for loyal and Q for quit. You have to find these all words from this box. Thank you.